So for 5 and 6 U Texas, the idea is that we have two objects and we need to get the total momentum. So this is not a collision problem yet. You're not going to do anything other than add the momentum of the two. I give you mass, I give you velocity, and you're going to just add the two together. So m1v1 plus m2v2, and you're not going to have another side of the equation. You're just going to do those. So you're going to add them up. So in this case, I have 2 times 6 and 2 times -3. Okay, so you could put it positive. If I made the 3 positive, the 6 would have to be negative. Remember, that's a big key problem, is that people need to remember that if you have one direction positive, the other direction has to be negative. And that's a number one issue that students are going to have with momentum. Okay, so I got 12 plus a -6, I get a +6. Now, what if I did 12 plus negative? What if I made the other velocity negative instead, right? So I'd have a 2 times a -6. So I'd end up with a negative answer. But notice that it asks for magnitude, and magnitude means absolute value. So either one of these ways of doing it, when I still get the absolute value of the answer, I'd still end up with the same answer, which is going to be 6. Now, moving on to question number 6. In this case, the objects are going in the same direction. They're both going east. They just have different velocities. So again, it's going to be a basic problem. We're just going to add up m1v1 plus m2v2. Again, there's no other side of the equation. You're just getting the total. So I have my mass of 900 times 25 plus my mass of 900. All right. Again, notice they're both going east, so they're going to be this. They're both going to be positive here. 900 times 40. All right. So I'll do the math for you here. So I have the 900 times 25. I got to calculate that. I get 22500 plus 900 times 40. And for that, I get 36,000. Add them together, and I get my answer. And there we go. Okay, so that's it for questions 5 and 6, U Texas.